1970 Mercury Montego. Let's see, just walk around over here. I first got this car, it was running rough. It did turn on, but it was having a difficult time staying running. There's no bringing back. That's that. Go back to the car. Install the new car. Get the timing adjusted. Distributor was stuck. I mean, I tried yanking on this. I tried pulling on it. Nothing did it. We had to go ahead and take the oil pan off. And from the bottom up, hit it a couple times with a hammer and a long screwdriver, able to get it off. So I ordered a new distributor, oil pan gasket. Go to check the timing chain. And from this side, it looks good. See that? No play here. But hey, look at this side here. You guys see how loose that timing chain is? Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. We're loose. ¿Qué onda, Miguel? ¿Cómo estás? Oh, chingue, dije, ¿así tratas al primo? Dije, no. This sums it up here. We got the timing chain ordered, and once we get all that in, we're gonna start assembling everything back. Well, yeah, this is it. What do you guys think? You know, you guys want to see some more of this, some more progress? You guys want to see me fire it up? Let me know what you guys think.